Good morning, the students of class 7. In the last class, I have done up to question number 9. Now, I am going to start question number 11, and question number 10 is not important from your examination point of view. So, you see in your book, in question number 11, what the question written. A carpenter finishes 1/3 of the work in 3 1/3 hours. What portion of the work will he finish in 8 hours? This question I have solved already. Now I am going to explain you how I have solved. You see, in 3 1/3 hour work completed how much? 1/3 part. So in 1 hour, how much the work will be completed? This 1/3 will be divided by 3 1/3. Now you see this number is in the form of a mixed fraction. Now you will convert this mixed fraction into proper or improper fraction. How you will be converted? 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 divided by 3. Now this in fraction division is very difficult. So in order to do the division, we have to convert this division sign into multiplication. Once you convert this division sign into multiplication, your number will be interchange. Okay, this 3 will go up and 10 will come down. Now 3 by 10, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 cancel. Now how much work they have done in 1 hour? Hour is 1/10 part. Now in 8 hours, how much work they will do? 8 into 1/10. Now 8 1 is 8, 8 by 10. Now 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. So in 8 hours, how much work they have done? They have done 4/5 part. Means the carpenter done how much work? 4/5 part. This is your answer. Now please take the screenshot. You please take the screenshot and write. I will be sending you the PDF of the sum which I have solved. But then also you take the screenshot for your practice. Okay, I know my students are very smart. They have taken the screenshot. Okay, let me drop that. Okay, now next question is question number 12. Find the value of given how much? 1 3/4 plus 1 1/3 into 1 5/8 divided by 1 3/16. In this question, first this fraction is in the unstable form. You have to bring into the stable form. To bring into the stable form, what you will do? This 4 will go up and 3 will remain like this. If I say, if it is 1 by x, if I ask you what will be the value, this x will go up. Your value will be x by 1 is x. Similarly, what will be the value for 1 2/3? This 3 will go up. Your value will become 3/2. So you have to apply this concept in this question in order to solve this sum. Okay, let us see how I am going to do. Solution: 1 3/4 plus 1 1/3 into 1 5/8 divided by 1 3/16. Now this will interchange. This it will inverse. This 4 will go up. It will become 4/3. 3 will go up. It will become 3 into 8 will go up. It will become 8/5. Divide by 16 will go up. It will become 16/3. Now next step, 4/3 plus 3 into 8/5. This division sign you will convert into multiplication. When you convert this division sign into multiplication, 3 will go up and 16 will come down. Is 3/16. Now 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Now this you solve. 4/3 plus 3 3 is 9, 5 2 is 10. Now you take the LCM. How you will take the LCM? LCM will be the product of these two numbers. 3 into 10 is 30. Now 3 how much? 30. 3 10 ja 30. Same, this 4 will be multiplied with 10 plus 10 3 ja 30. That 3 will be multiplied with 9 into 9 into 3. Now 4 into 10 is what? 40 plus 9 into 3 is what? 27 by 30. So your answer is what? 67 by 30. This is your answer. Since I have no space, so I have done like up to like this. You please note down and take the screenshot. In your copy, if you are having the space, you write this equal to this step, in this another step like this and another step like this. Take the screenshot. Okay, I know my students are smart. They have taken the screenshot. Okay, let me rub then this one. Okay, let me rub. Now next question, question number 13. Question number 13, 1 and question number 4 is similar to as question number 2 solve. So you can do at home. This is very easy. You can do it home. You will convert the mixed fraction into a fraction. After that you will do the division. Now which are the question I am going to solve? I am going to solve question number 2. What is given in the bracket 3 into 49 by 54. Sorry, 3 by 7 into 49 by 54 bracket close divided by 1 by 24. Now what I will do in this case, first you have to solve the bracket part. Whether if it is addition, whether it is multiplication, whether it is subtraction or division. First you will solve the bracket part. What is in 13, what is the question they have asked you to do to simplify? Means you have to convert this complex number into simple number. You have to simplify. Okay, now next step what I will do, 3 by 7 into 49 by 54 bracket divided by 1 by 24. Now 7 1 ja 7, 7 7 ja 49. Now 7 3 ja is 21 by 54 divided by 1 by 24. Now again 21 by 54, this 24 will go up and 1 will come down. It will become like this. Now what I can do, I can cancel with 3. 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3, again 3 8 ja 24. Now again 3 7 ja 21, 3 6 ja 18. Now again 2 4 ja 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6. Now you see there is no cancellation now. Now how I can write 7 4 ja is 28, 3 1 ja 3. So 28 by 3 is your answer. You please take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Let me be out of the frame. You take the screenshot. First I cancel this 2 number by 3. Okay, I have divided by 3, 54 and 24. 3 when you cancel it become 18 and here it becomes 8. After that I cancel 21 and 18 by 3. 3 7 ja 21, 3 6 ja 18. After that this 8 and 6 I cancel by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6. After that I multiply and I have written the answer. If you are not understanding this, you please play this video again in my YouTube channel. You watch the video again and again, and if you even then also you are having any doubt, you please message me and call me. I am going to solve you. I am going to solve definitely solve this doubt. Okay, let me rub now. Now next question is question number 3. It's about Martha problem also. Question number 3 is given 2 4 by 5 minus 2 3 by 7 bracket divided by 1 by 20. Now you see, first what you will you will convert this mixed fraction into a proper or improper fraction. How you will do? 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 4 is what? 14 by 5. Minus 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 by 7. Now take the LCM. Take the LCM. The LCM will be the product of these two numbers. 7 5 ja 35. Now this 7 will be multiplied with 14. 14 into 7 minus 7 5 ja 7. How much? 35. 5 ja. This 5 will be multiplied with the numerator number. That is, it will be multiplied with 17. Divide by 1 by 20. Now I know the table. 14 into 7 is 98. 17 into 5 is 85 by 35. Divide by 1 by 20. Now 98 minus 85 is what? 13 by 35. Divide by 1 by 20. So this I am writing here, this one. 13 by 35. This division sign I will convert into a multiplication sign. Then 20 will come here. Now class, tell me, 5 7 ja 35, 5 4 ja 20. Now 13 into 4 is what? 52. 7 into 1 is 7. This is your answer. You can divide 52 by 7 and you can write this number in the form of a mixed fraction also. Even if you are writing up to that much also, it is correct. So take the screenshot, and this is 0. Otherwise some of the students, they will misunderstood and will write something else. This is 0. I know my students have taken the screenshot. Okay, you will do this 1 and 4 is your homework. Now question number 14, it is not important from your examination point of view. Then also I will solve tomorrow. Okay, students, in question number 14 is very lengthy of question of exercise 2C. So I have, in order to save the time, I have already written the question and I have already solved this question. So what I have did, now how I have did, I am going to explain you. Let's see what the question tells you and what the question asking you. The weight of 9 pumpkin is 27 half kg and this is distributed among 11 neighbors. Find how much each neighbor will get. So class, listen, this 9 number, it is given in order to confuse you. This 9 number is given to create the confusion in your mind. So our data is required only total weight, how much? 27 half kg, and it have to be distributed among how many neighbors? 11 neighbors. So how much each neighbor will get? This number will be divided by 11. If I ask you, the total chocolate is 100. If I want to distribute among 10 members, then each member will get how much chocolate? 100 divided by 10 is 10 chocolate. The same case is this one also. Total weight given 27 by 1 by 2 kg. Now this mixed fraction I have converted into in the form of what? Proper or improper fraction. 27 into 2 ja is 54. 54 plus 1 is 55. So your answer is 55 2 kg. Now number of neighbor is given 11. Now each neighbor will get how much? 55 by 2 divided by 11. Since this division sign, you will convert it into multiplication. When you convert this division sign into multiplication, 1 will go up and 11 will come down. 1 by 11. Now 11 1 ja 11, 11 5 ja 55. 5 by 2 kg. Now this 5 by 2 you can write 2.5 kg. Now this 5, when you divide by 2, this decimal point is coming. So I don't know whether you know how to do the division with decimal point. Let me explain you. 5 2 2 ja 4. 1 remainder. If you put point here, as soon as you put point here we can add 1 0. Now 2 how much? 10. 2 5 is 10. 10 by 10 it is cancelled. So your answer is 2.5 kg. This is your answer. Now you take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot and don't write this is 9 confusion. This is for the explanation I have marked. So you take the screenshot. Please let me be out of the frame and you take the screenshot. Okay, I know my students have taken the screenshot, and this explanation I will be providing you in the form of a PDF format. You can write from there also, and for fast calculation you can take the screenshot of my explanation also. Now question number 15, you see, evaluate. Evaluate. 1 is given how much? 4. 2 by 3 divided by 5. 3 by 4 minus subtraction 5. 1 by 6 of 1 by 7. Now this is very lengthy, so you have to be very you should be very concentrate in each and every step. Now this next fraction you will convert it into fraction. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is what? 14 by 3. Divided by 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 by 4. Subtraction. Now 6 5 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31 by 6. Of means multiplication by 1 by 6. Now this division sign you convert into multiplication. When you convert this division sign into multiplication, 4 will go up and 23 will come down. Minus 31 into 1, 31, 6, 7 is 42. Now no chance of cancellation, so you have to multiply. 14 into 4 is what? 56. 23 into 3 is what? 69. Minus 31 by 42. This you can take LCM. For LCM, let me take the LCM. 69 by 42. Okay, but I can divide by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. Your LCM will be the product of these three numbers. So your LCM is 23 into 3 is what? 69. 69 into 14. 4 9 is 36, carry 3. 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. Into 9. Here will be 1 into 6 is what? 60. 1 into 69 is 69. Now 6. 7 plus 9 is how much? 16. 6 carry 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 66. Your LCM is how much? 9 66. Now 69 how much? 9 66. Already you have multiplied 23 into 3 is already 69. So 69 how much? 9 66 is 14. This 14 you are going to multiply with 56. Minus 42. 14 3 is 42. 42 how much? 966 is 23. This 31 you are going to multiply with 23. Now how you will write? 56 56. Now you see, you think whether you can take some common number or not. You can't take the common number. You have to do the multiplication. Okay, 56 into 14. Let me do the multiplication in rough here. 56 into 14. 6 4 is 24. Carry 2. 4 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Now again 56. 7 84. Your answer is what? 7 84. Minus. Where I kept the duster? Duster where I kept? Okay. Let me rub this one by with my hand only. I will multiply 31 into 23. 3 into 3, 3 3 ja 9. 2 1 ja 2. 2 3 ja 6. Your answer will be 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. Again 6 plus 1 is 7. Minus 7 1 3 divided by 9 66. When you will do the subtraction, here you will get the 71 by 966 is your answer. This is your answer. You take the screenshot, please. Let me be out of the front and you take the screenshot. Okay, I know my students are smart. They have taken the screenshot. Now I have found out the duster. Okay, let me rub. Now, question number 2. It is also very easy. You have to do the bracket part first. Now, what is given in the question? 7, 1 by 7 of 4 by 5 bracket divided by 2, 1 by 2 again divided by 3, 1 by 2. Now, here what you will write? This bracket part you have to do first. Now, of means what? Multiplication. 1 by 7 into 4 by 5. Division you will keep as it is. Now, you convert this mixed fraction into fraction. 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 2. This division you write as it is. 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. Now, 7 minus 4 1 is 4. 7 5 is 35. Divided by this 5 by 2. This division sign, when I convert it into multiplication sign, this 2 will go up and 7 will come down. Now again 2 went up and 7 come down. Now 2 1 is 2, 2 cancel. Now this you take the LCM 35. 35 into 7 is 245 minus 4. 5 by 7. 245 minus 4 is obviously 241 by 35. This division sign you convert into multiplication sign and 7 will go there and 5 will come here. Now 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. Now your answer is what? 241 into 1 is 241 by 25. You might be confused how this 245 is came. Okay, I know I have explained so many sum I have did in exercise 2C. Now you know how to do the subtraction of this fraction number. Here no number means 1 is there. LCM of 35 and 1 is what? 35. 35 1 is 35, 4 1 is 4 written. And 1 how much 35? 1 into 35 is 35. This 35 I have multiplied with 7. 7 5 is 35, carry 3. 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 245. This I have written here. Now 245 minus 4 is 241 by 35. And this division sign I have converted into multiplication. As soon as I have this division sum, I have converted into multiplication. 7 went in place of numerator, 5 came in place of denominator. Now after cancellation you have got the answer 241 by 25. You can write like this or by after division in the form of a mixed fraction also you can write. Now you take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. Runs 600 kilometer on full tank of petrol. On full tank of petrol. Given. Find the capacity. Find the capacity of fuel tank if the car gives a mileage of 9.3/8 kilometer per hour. I have written like this, per means this slash. So current, this is your distance, and this is your speed, and they have asked what your capacity of the fuel. Okay, this is per liter. Okay, per liter. Now how you will find out the capacity? You will write capacity of the fuel is given by this 600. You will write 600 divided by 9.3/8. Now how I will write 600? I will write here kilometer per liter. 600. Now 9 is how much? 72. 72 plus 3 is 75/8. As I told you now, 1 by x means this x will come out. Here will be 1. Similarly, this 8 will come out. 600 will be multiplied with 8 divided by 75. Now this you can cancel with 5 or you can cancel with 15. Let me cancel with 5 because 5 table you know, and most of the students don't know the table of 15. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. Again 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 0. 5 3 ja 15. Again 5 2 ja 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 5 4 ja 20. Again 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24. Now 8 into 8 how much? 8 into 8 is 64 liter. Okay, and this kilometer and kilometer is cancelled. So capacity of the fuel, capacity means the volume. Volume is either expressed in unit kilometer cube or meter cube or in liter. So you have got the capacity how much? 64 liter. Therefore the capacity of the fuel is how much? 64 liter. Okay, with this I have completed this